So we kind of wanted to start a new series, and here we go. So we're going to be opening Premier League packs. We're going to try to put one up a day, or one up a week, or whatever we can do. Well, not just that, we've got a few others as well. So we're starting off with Bruno Fernandes. We've got Gomez from Wolves. A Brighton player. I'm not even going to butcher his name. Newcastle player Harvey Barnes. We got a Generation Now. We got a retro, which is the Lescott Everton retro. Ahmad headlines card. Miles from Arsenal there. That's quite a shiny card. Phil Foden from Man City. And we go in for Dixon for Everton.